From March 19 to 22, 2026, KIMES Korea International Medical Equipment Show came to a successful conclusion in Seoul. ChenAnHui gathered with global orthopedic colleagues, achieving fruitful results. Today, we take you through the highlights of the exhibition and share operating tips for high-end orthopedic instrument battery packs. During the 4-day exhibition, ChenAnHui presented its full range of spinal implants. More than 100 doctors and distributors from South Korea, Japan, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East stopped by for exchanges. A professor from Seoul National University commented, "Your quality is well worth the special trip. Customer recognition is our greatest reward. Push it in during installation until a click is heard to confirm it is locked. To remove it, press the release button and slide it out smoothly. Do not pull or yank it forcefully. Proper operation ensures longer service life of the instrument. The exhibition has ended, but our services continue. Every business card and every request has been followed up on. Samples have been dispatched, and cooperation is underway." ChenAnHui has been specializing in orthopedic implants for 16 years, partnering with over 30 factories and offering a 2-year warranty. We look forward to meeting you again.